Alright, y'all, we got the butter going. It's got all these in there. It's got the regular Mediterranean sea salt, garlic salt, black pepper, and onion powder. We got it going because what we're doing tonight, we're making this beautiful T-bone right here, y'all. Beautiful T-bone. And the reason I like this T-bone is it's got a fat slice of that filet mignon right there on the side. It's gonna be delicious, y'all. Trust me. Trust and believe that. Some of this garlic in there. And this is just minced garlic with extra virgin olive oil in it. I don't want to put too much, just a little bit. To roast that garlic up in that butter and incorporate that olive oil flavor into it as well. But there's not enough olive oil, obviously, to tear the flavor. Because the only thing we're doing something simple tonight. Yes, something simple, finally, huh? And man, I just got shouted out by 2 different people on 2 different live streamers. I was not expecting it, but it happened, y'all. It happened, y'all. We getting publicity because people are starting to be impressed. People are starting to be impressed with what we do over here. Let me put the lid on so it can, that steam can just stay inside. And yeah, we'll be back. We'll be back on back, so we'll be back. We'll be back, and we about to get the shrimp going. I'm gonna put a whole stick of butter. You already know. I do it with the butter. We got the trash can right there. And we're gonna do this almost the same exact seasoning because these are gonna be combined together on top of the rice. You don't want to have too much of a flavor contrast in them, so we're gonna do this. We'll take the onion powder. Did y'all see? Onion powder. Put that on top. There we go. Boom. Garlic salt. Boom. This one I'm not going to use the Mediterranean sea salt because I don't need to. The garlic, or this is regular pepper. There we go. Boom. Take a swig of some Gatorade. Boom. There we go. Grab some fresh, well, not fresh, but minced garlic with olive oil. We're gonna put this straight in here. Boom, just like that. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna save some, because I'm not gonna eat all this food, obviously, y'all already know me. Yes, I got Pringles. I got the scorching barbecue. These motherfuckers is fire. Not a sponsor. I've never had a sponsor. We're gonna take this parsley, open the wide mouth, and just sprinkle it over the top. Boom, there we go. Done. And we're gonna let this butter melt down, then I'll be back. And I know y'all know I'm a Cowboys fan. Got it right here, got it everywhere. But hey, I'm gonna peel these shrimp, let the butter melt down. Of course, I'm gonna put the lid over the butter. But I made a mistake a couple of weeks ago, and I was trying to get the stuff out of there so I can clean the pan. And I banged it on my door thinking that it was strong enough to withstand it, but it wasn't. But hey, it still works. It just makes it tighter to get on and off. See? Y'all see how this one comes don't come off when you lift it. This one, straight off. Here we go. But hey, I'm about to peel this shrimp. I'll be back. Hey, what's up? We back. I just put the rice in because I already finished the shrimp. The shrimp only needs to be sauteed for about 5-10 minutes after the butter got to a good temperature. That way it just kind of flash cooked. You guys know how shrimp cooks. The steak is resting. Steak is resting right here. And I'm about to cut it up here in a minute. I got my knife right here. Yeah. You know what? Fuck that. I'm using my cowboy's knife. Did I bring it with me? Yes, I did. Hey, we still Cowboys Nation over here, baby. If you're not a Cowboys fan, thank you for your support. But hey, I'm a diehard Cowboys fan. You guys will find out in the future. But I thank you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share the content, y'all. We're trying to grow this and show people around the world that just because we're truck drivers don't mean we have to eat fast food all the time. But hey, we'll be back, baby. All right, y'all, we back. We about to cut this steak up. Yeah, see what we doing. So what I'm gonna start is right by the bone. There we go. Just cut the bone out real quick. And then right around this side of the bone, we're gonna do the same thing. Except I'm actually gonna save this bone for my babies. Oh, I haven't showed you guys Dallas and Princess yet. I just realized that. I'm sorry. Those are my babies too. Dallas, of course, because of who? I won't answer because y'all know in the comments. Post in the comments. There we go, see? Boom. T-bone done. Okay. Now we're just gonna cut it up. Oh, I need to sharpen this knife. So I'm gonna put that knife away, pull out the big boy. A lot of fat. You know it's bad when you bite into a steak and you get nothing but a squirt. I gotta cut this piece off. What you get with a thin cut steak, or thin cut T-bone, I should say. Save that for Dallas and Princess as well. There we go. Wow. All done. So I'm gonna put this in the box over here with my stuff to clean. These will go in a Ziploc bag. I'm gonna put my damn Ziplocs. Son of a bitch. I hate having ADHD. because I forget shit all the time. And here they are. These are for Dallas and Princess for tomorrow. And I'm going to stop by and see them a little bit for tomorrow. There we go. Another fatty piece. Dallas will love that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to thaw some chicken out for them too. So they have some raw meat, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to chop it up real fine, put some vegetables in it, and they got their meal. But hey, let's do this real quick. I'll be right back. Let me grab a plate. Alright, y'all, we back. Got me they didn't have styrofoam plates. I mean, paper plates, so I got a stack of styrofoams, which is fine. It works good too. So what we're gonna do, we about to plate up, y'all. This is what we doing. Take the clumps out, of course. It's recooked rice, so it kind of clumps up a little bit. That's one of the reasons I'd rather use fresh rice, but I don't have the money to waste. The company I'm with now, no disrespect, I love my boss, Heather. She's amazing. She's the best boss I've ever had. But I ain't gonna lie, this company don't pay what I'm used to, or what I should be making to live on the road, to be honest with you. So I've been talking to companies about becoming an owner-operator, because I've been doing this for 7 years. There's no way I should be working for somebody else anymore. So I've always taught my kids, go for what you believe in, and if you believe in yourself, bet on yourself. Well, guess what? It's Daddy's time to follow his own advice to his kids. So we take some of the steak now. Go. And of course, this is the shrimp that I had to take it out of the pot because I had to reheat the rice in the same pot. I'm not in my own truck. I'm in a loaner truck right now. My truck is in the shop, so gotta accommodate. So what we're doing, just scoop some of the shrimp out. Around the edges. You got to be about presentation too, because you eat with your eyes before you even taste it. Just take the spoon some of the seasoning and sauce over the top. There we go. And this will be left for tomorrow. I didn't think I was making that much shrimp. But it is what it is. And y'all, this is the finished product. It's a finished product. I do my best. I can't help that day. And what I'm gonna do, because it's still hot, take some of this Parmesan, put it over the top. Yeah, I just found out yesterday my baby be watching Salt Bae because she said he reminds her of me because of the way I sprinkle my Parmesan cheese. I was like, really, Janai, you're 8 years old. What you know about him? She goes, he makes me want to cook. All right, no problem. Keep watching. And then put some of this over the top so it kind of helps start melting that cheese. All right, we done. We are done, y'all. So, hey, you guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share the content, y'all. We need to grow this channel. I'm still waiting to get to 250. I've been holding off. I'm about to stop the promo and get to 250. Somebody get a free shirt. It's out of my pocket. I don't make a lot of money, so that's making me struggle even more. But I don't mind if it's going to grow my channel. This is not something I just want to leave for me. This is something I'm doing this to have something to hand down to my kids. Eventually, I'll get Desiree on here, but she's 19. She wants to be out with her friends when daddy's in town because she don't have to watch her sister. So, that's fine. But hey, y'all, be lovely, be nice, and respect each other. And truckers, Cowboys Nation, and we out.